everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, really appreciate it. Action-packed show for you today. We got 2 loads in, so tune in and see how we did it. And if you could, smash that like and subscribe button for us. Maybe turn on the notifications, ring the bell, and maybe share this thing. It really helps us out. It really does. So thank you so much and enjoy the show. Dun dun dun. Okay, happy Thursday, Sunday. Happy Sunday. Welcome back. Let me show you real quick what we got. About a load and a half, probably 2 loads there. Probably somewhere around there. We did a good load earlier and probably another half a load. So we are gonna head back out now. We're just gonna fill this thing up and be done. Go. Starting off the night, we got a table. Interesting start. Should make for an interesting front stack. Get it like that. And this bad boy for a little weight. Slide that a bit. Boom. Oh, it's not too hot. As I grabbed it, I'm like, oh, this thing's probably a firecracker. I like that. Get that going just like that. Make some good stacks today. All right. Let's get illuminated. Oh, we're gonna put it in the back because bikes usually get stacked sooner or later. All right, that's metal. It's new. Felt a little new. Wonder what's in that box. A little painting. Hey now. These are all metal. Let's go right across the front. Oh, I don't even know. Trying to save room. Trying to get as condensed as we can early. I don't know how it's working. All right. That there. All of this good stuff. All cut up. Garage door. Rolling trolley. I'll have to check this out. See if there's anything wrong with it. Because that looks pretty cool. What do we got here? Printer. I need this container. So we'll leave the printer here. But we will take that cord. And we will take this container because that's a good one. Of course. That's the second time I've gone to grab that and it fall off. Boop. I'm also gonna take this, mostly because I want the cord. But I don't think this homeowner would appreciate me just cutting the cord. I have here. Maybe I'm gonna make some muffins. Maybe that's a thing. Ew. Better wash those things first there, fella. Oh, yes, sir. Yep, that'll sell. Sweet. What do you got there? Epson printer? Just like a mobile printer? I don't know, it's like a projector. Huh. Let's go. Oh, it's a little mixing board. Cool. Just some magazines. What are these? Bandages. sterile bandages. I think that's it. Another Christmas tree. I mean, we don't say no to Christmas trees, but I think this is the second one that we found today. Kind of different to get multiples in a day. We need like 2 big things, boom, boom, and then we can just really start stacking this thing down. But here's some heavy irony. Take that. I should start a weed whacker business. Just need somebody who works on weed whackers. Dun, 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 dun. All right, welcome back. It's a nice little grill. We restructured the back there a little bit. It's kind of a funky front load, but we're doing our best with it. I feel like this could work right there. I don't know if these need to be anything crazy right now. They'll probably both get stacked on something. This should probably go right on top of that grill. Let's try to work a little of that magic. And we'll start. Yeah. Yeah. We like that. Let me grab this stroller real quick. It says trash is good. What does that mean? I don't know what that means. Trash is good. Trash is good. And this has got no wheels on it, of course. Because my back is hurt. Just favoring things that I shouldn't be favoring. It's just jacking me up. Even worse. All right, so this thing's all metal. That's pretty interesting. It's a little metal table. And a little chair action. All right, we got another dishwasher. We pulled over. Guy brought me out another dishwasher, so it's a double dishwasher stack. It's starting to come together. It's starting to get there. All right, so these beds never really make for easy stacking. So I think we got to be a little methodical with this one. Figure out what we're gonna do right now. There we go. And we kind of got it right on the side that we wanted to. Let's see, is this? Yeah, this is all pretty good. I think we're doing something. It only seemed like a mess. I can't believe we got this up there. Still doesn't seem like we got to get something to fill in right in this chase. All right, let's go. All right, this is the bike. Ooh, and you got a friend back there, eh? What is this? These are the handles. Oh, it must go into the bottom of it. They gave me the old breakdown version. Get down, break down. Start a little corner stack, I guess, eh? We want to make sure we leave a area for our stove that we're gonna find. I feel like it's a stove kind of night. Broke? If not, that's going right in the old personal collection, which I don't think it is. I've never met anybody who couldn't use a good hand tamper. So, sweet. That will not get recycled. That will be coming home with us. What are you doing? All right, a couple fans. Oh, really? Yeah, come on. Let's not fight. There's one. at us snapping metal. And nice and neat. And off we go. This load is pretty wild today. Got some cornhole boards. Those are some good ones. Metal. Look. You see, I really want to save some room for a nice big item right there. But this is all stacking up quite nicely. No complaints as of this second. These are all metal. Good night. They are heavy. They are heavy. A bed frame in there. I don't know what old Jeffy's gonna say about this. He's gonna be like, man, what are you bringing me? Come on, Jeffy. Jeffy. Boom. Okay, even that fit better than I thought it was going to. We are on the move. I like it. Oh yeah. Yeah. We'll take those. But yeah, signs definitely definitely good for us yesterday. Oh, look at that. Whoo! That stacked up perfectly. Look at that. Whoa, hey now. Okay, it was a Christmas tree weekend and just nobody told me, or what? What's going on around here? Oh, it's a pot. Oh, boxes. Everybody this weekend said, that's it. No more Christmas trees. We are done with that. Get it out. But maybe they were running a sale on Christmas trees this weekend somewhere. And everybody was like, oh yeah. Oh yeah, man. Christmas tree weekend. Good enough for me. All right, some aluminum, more aluminum, more aluminum. Getting that little hole all filled in. Yeah, you be. We're gonna make something out of this load yet. So plastic, and we got a little fridge. Do these work? If these work, they're like gold. That one doesn't seem to. What about you? Yeah, I think so. I needed one more. Boom. I'll take this bad boy. Cool. And then we'll leave those there. And we'll take this thing. Is it stinky? Nope. Sure ain't. Alright, I guess team lift, by the way. Team lift. Team lift, team lift, team lift. We're gonna start filling in this area. If we get something big, then we will gladly move some stuff. But in the same regards, we gotta start filling this trailer up. So very good. Oh, this is all plastic. Plastic, plastic, plastic. You are gonna ride in the back though. Here, pool filter. Back-to-back fridges. Is it stinky or is it not? Nope, nice and good. Beautiful. Nice aromas coming out of it. Team lift on 3, 2, 1. Team lift. Oh man, that's a stack right there. Yeah, when I went by the first time, there was only one fan there. I'm telling you because I'm 95% certain of that. Unless I just looked right through the first fan. I mean, like it wasn't there. Because it wasn't there. I don't think it was there. It was probably there. It was probably there and I didn't see it, but it really seem to be there with my eyes. This one could be, all right, it's manageable. Oh, this is all metal, except for those stairs. Those stairs are not metal. This drip edge is. Oh, come on, you need just a little bit more. We got another strap on that soon. And I thought this thing was like worst nightmare type stuff, but it seems somewhat manageable. Yeah, get down in there. Yeah, I like that. What a nice. All right, let's just take these off for right now until we get this moved, and then we'll put them back. Oh, what are you doing, Froggy? Come on. Jumping around, trying to scare me. He's probably more scared than I am, poor little thing. To go right there. Oh, did it actually work? No. Not even close. Well, I wouldn't say not close, but maybe if we just put this whole thing over to the side. I still want it to capture all the stuff that was in there. All right, let's try to strap it down. We'll bring it back. Full number here. She ain't much in weight, but that's a fancy little roll-around cart. Tell you right now, if I had a shop, that's where it would be. So just got over to here, whatever that means. All right, no, I am not taking that off. We've had a bad experience with that. If you've been around the channel long enough, you will know what I mean. Just trying to stack this thing. Ow! Should have had gloves on. All right, very good. Let's go. Bunch of chairs. Whole bunch. Boy, truck is not sounding too good. It's been a long day. Really been working her. Trying not to work her so hard. That is part of the plan. Just Try not to work her so hard. I don't know if we're doing a really good job, but we're trying. We just need one more thing right there. Oh no. I was gonna say maybe it works, but oh no. That thing does not work. Okay, somehow I think I'm gonna fit this on here. So, yeah. I still have no idea how I think I'm doing that, but oh boy, not even close. All right. Oh, it's still not even close. I mean, we're close, but I mean, as close as we need to be. How are we doing now? Ooh, I think we're in there. We are. This thing over here is like, yeah, pal, no chance. No chance unless you hook me up. Yep, we'll be repeating this process tomorrow. Faux show. All right, very good. We got the gate closed. Somehow we got that thing on there. All right, I'm gonna rearrange all this and then we'll be back. I didn't think there was any way we were fitting that on there, and somehow we did. So that's it, we're done. Calling it a night. We are heading back. Good morning. All right, we're gonna go get this in, and then I think we're gonna run back here, do one more load from the side of the house, and then call it a day. 2-load Monday. I think that sounds pretty good. So let's go get this thing in so we can get back. Oh, we're heading a couple neighborhoods on the way back. That slide tried taking me out as soon as I unhooked it. As soon as I unhooked it, that slide, that thing was a walking issue. Except it didn't walk. All right, well, we're here. We're gonna start tearing into this thing, breaking it down. So we'll bring you back when we get over to the captain, Mr. Jeffy. All right, see you in a little bit. It's the man, the myth, the legend, the 1-0 Packer Scrapper. Unlike my team, who's 0-1. But that's okay. Later, brother. I didn't watch 1 second of football yesterday. The fish, squish the fish.
We came close there, buddy.
Yeah, we came close. Heavy.
Actually, if it wasn't for those 2 turnovers, we beat them. Because they only scored 9 points.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
Woulda, shoulda, crappy, coulda.
But didn't.
How about the Cowgirls destroying the Giants last night?
Did they? I didn't even.
40-0.
Oh, really? I seen some memes about it.
Destroying it. Yep. That's the one.
I'll bring them this way. Easier. Easier.
Big muscles of yours.
Big muscles. I'm like Arnold. I'm here to pump you up. Yeah, you want to do this as light or heavy? Light?
In the car?
What? Yeah. Yeah. I had 3.
Is it too hard to clean it?
Yeah.
Or it just won't come out?
Oh, I have no idea.
Look at that.
Oh,
What?
no, not too hard to clean it at all. He said, look at that.
Like in the
see.
door?
Oh yeah, look at us go.
This one.
Oh, you're so good to me.
Try.
I gotta stop putting you on the payroll.
Okay. We'll work for good.
All right. Yes, sir. Dirt boy beer. That's what we drank in the military.
What, Bush?
Bush Light.
It's cheap, it tastes good.
Dirt boy beer. Well, we were all dirt boys.
Dirt boy.
Heavy equipment shop. Clean.
That's it, huh?
No. Can we go back to light?
Try it.
Oh yeah, this may not be 2 pounds. All right, I'll save it. We do this as dirty brass? Dirty brass!
Right.
Is it open?
Ah.
Well, between the two, I may have 2 pounds. I can hit that thing with a hammer.
I don't know how that goes in there.
Oh, here comes the hammer.
That has to go in there. Oh, look.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, snap.
Dirty brass.
Oh, dirty brass.
All right then. Huh? I'll take it back. I'll take it with me for the next time. Woo! See what I got? I got a little hand tamper. Hand tamper. For,
You gonna
like this. No, tamping your base for some concrete. And then yeah, your face. And then we got our little handy dandy cart here. That's what he brought you?
Yeah.
Nice.
I know, right? These are big boys. I bet they're close to
Big old boys. All right, buddy, I gotta go get load number 2. Goodbye. All the boys this morning. Team lift. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time to get back to what we do. A little bit of scrap-a-lapping. All right. Look at what we got here. I was thinking maybe I could sell that, but I don't know. I don't know about that. Make sure there's nothing in there. Man, I wanted to start running today, but my lower back is just ate up. No good way to put it right now. I just don't feel like my core is all that structurally sound. That's how we're gonna put it. I definitely gotta start exercising more. I know that seems crazy because of what we do, but need more exercise. More core stuff, more core strength. Oh, I don't know. Yeah. It's kind of broke. All right, not going to. Yeah. No, maybe. See some kind of metal. Something biting me, don't bite me. All right, let's take this bad boy here. How do they wear like that? I guess maybe if it's sitting like that, that would be how, Michael. So I didn't bring you along at first because I didn't really think we were getting into anything. And then I started pulling out all kind of stuff. Like that, a whole big thing of CDs. We'll go through those. Are these like, yeah man, leather chaps, heck yeah. Yep, absolutely, we're taking those with us. I'm showing those right to Lauren. Hey honey. Oh, that is so funny. Little potty seat. Oh, somebody yelling. Bag with food in it. Yuck. All right, let's see what else now. Chair? No. Some twine. Camel pack. Oh, that's cool. Heck yeah. Two of them. How you doing? Good, thank you. Cool, couple camel packs. This has turned into a nice little chunk of aluminum. Another chunk of aluminum. Nice. That is what's up. Looks like we had a garage clean out. A couple more chunks. We're going in. Of aluminum. All right, I think that's it. All right, some aluminum. I like that. It's not a bad little stack we got going so far. Oh, that thing's filled with ants. Yeah, there's one more piece in there. Wasn't gonna, yeah, there we go. Make the effort, kid. Make the effort. Wheelbarrow did not make it. Whoa, 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 whoa. Did not make it, folks. It had a rough one. It lived a good life. Team lift! Team lift! Shabba-dabba-doo! Remember, to be part of the team, it's pretty simple. All you gotta do is smash that subscribe button, and then you're a member. You're one of us then. Now, maybe, when? Right now, smash the subscribe button. Thanks, everybody. A little bit of wire to make the load difficult. You know how that goes. And for a little light action, dun dun dun, we have to get our magnet back. It was hanging off the side there, and I guess it fell off, but Lauren came right behind and picked it up. Woo! My hero. What's going on over here? Oh, it's aluminum. Oh yeah, come right on out of there. Nice. That's all. Couple books. What else? Oh, it's a Lego toys. Oh, nice. Big block Legos. We love them. That was kind of ate up. Yeah, I cleaned that thing up. All right. More fun. One time, we were right next to the house again. This is one of our local neighborhoods. At one time, I had all kind of guys in this neighborhood running routes. And I think they're starting up here too, so I don't know if we have anybody in here. I will fill this whole thing up without the side of the house. Ooh, what do you got there? It's a nice little clock. Wonder if it just needs some new batteries or what? Oh, it had a pendulum thing that swung there. Let's do this. We'll put it up front. If it makes it, it makes it. If it doesn't, well, then, you know. So we've seen the trash guys in the other neighborhood, but we were just about done there. And we got that bike, but the camera was dead, so I couldn't bring you along. Production crew around here is something else, I'll tell you. Something else. All right, we're in the last couple neighborhoods. Oh, garbage man put me onto this one, and this is pretty beat up. I'm not even gonna call my guy about this one. This one can just go right into the yard. We are on the busy main road. I was telling my garbage guys about the yard sale, and then Lauren came out and gave them some cookies. So we did a whole cookie thing for the yard sale, and we never brought them out. I'm telling you, it was just chaos. Pure chaos. Good chaos. All right. Woo, let's go. Let's go load the rest of this stuff up. All right, so here is load number 2 on the day. Load number 2. Just a bunch of stuff, you know? Nothing too big, crazy in there. That thing's a little heavy. So, yeah, just a bunch of little randoms. And we still got our 2 washing machines over the side, our cast iron sink. Put that trolley over to the side. I don't know if it's gonna make it. I started messing with it and I'm not all that impressed right now. And then everything here. So I'm thinking that's gonna get us pretty close to another full load. Pretty close, pretty close. close. What do you think? You think it'll get us close? It may get us close. All right, we'll see you guys. And that's our load. This is all what's coming over to Jeffy for the second run. So, bunch of light ironing. That's really about it. Some stainless, some clean aluminum. Nothing too crazy. Say hi and bye! Bye! Say bye! Bye! Alright, so after talking with my man Nacho, he told me go look those things up. You know? So he's making really good sense. So we're gonna look those up. All right, let's check out some of the stuff that we got last night. We got this Batman poster. Packages of sterile bandages. We got the projector. That's right, there's a whole projector in there. We got that. There's a whole projector, so we'll look that up. A mixing board. We got all this stuff, some books, some flashcards, more books. This is that bag that we found this morning. More books, more books, more books. Legos with a score. A whole CD case. I have to bring that in so Ava can look at that. The chaps. We got 2 camo packs. Got a couple pairs of shoes. Got the tape and the putty. A bag full of clothes. 2 signs. And 3 bins. And that, my friends, is everything that we got last night and today. So, boom, not a bad haul. Not a bad haul at all. Oh, and we got 2 bikes, and we got that tamper right there, and we got one of the sawhorses. So I'm good with that. That's a good night. Look, I just rode all the way back with the saws all sitting right there. Oh, I need your help sometimes, people. My sanity is not good nowadays. All right, end this thing. Let's go to the ends. Roll the credits. All right, so on a little different note, we're gonna switch things up on the backside a little bit. We're gonna give you the quote of the day right now. At the end of the day, you put in all the hard, retake. At the end of the day, you put all the work in, and eventually it will pay off. It could be in a year, it could be in 30 years. Eventually, your hard work will pay off. Like Kevin Hart. And that just resonated with me today, because I feel like that's what we're doing in life right now. We are planting seeds all over the place. Seed here, seed there, seed here, seed there. It may not come back to us right now, but that's okay. That's okay. I'm learning patience too, so. Yeah, don't be afraid to plant your seed. Work hard, work hard. Hard work works. So, I hope you all are having a great day out there. Also, we're gonna give these quotes of the day in shorts a little break. Take maybe a week off and then see what happens. We've been putting out those other shorts as well. So right now, I feel like those motivational ones are doing a little bit better, resonating a little bit better. So we're gonna ride with those for a little bit. So, all right. Okay, so if you want to get into a drawing for a free Junkman 5000 t-shirt, all you got to do is send us a postcard to Junkman 5000, P.O.Box 414, Crispus, Florida 32709. I've been saying my own address a lot lately, so I had to make sure the right things were coming out of my face. But you send us a postcard, we'll read it on air. We'll also put a pin up on the board where you're from, and we'll drop your name in a hat and pull your name out, and you could win a free Junkman 5000 t-shirt. Lucky you. All right, so we're sticking this on the back side. This is the end of the video. Dun, 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 dun. What did we do today? We got 1,300 pounds of tin on this morning's load. 1,300 pounds of tin. Irony all heavy was 74. Irony all light was 22 pounds. Extrusion was 12, and clean aluminum was 2 for $108. And then we had second load was 1140 in tin. Irony all light was 96, and clean aluminum was 18 for $104.40, making us a total of $212.40 for the day. Woohoo, for 2,664 pounds. Look at us go. It's amazing. Yeah, so 2 loads. One from like 3/4 of a load from side of the house, and then a load and a quarter from going out and doing some scrapping. So overall, that was a good day. Good day to follow up the yard sale. And we still got stuff on the side, so still working hard at it. So y'all have a good day. If you could, check us out on all of our social media, on TikTok. What are they all? I'm so bad at this. On Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, I am Junkman 5000. On Twitter, we are, or X, whatever you want to call it, we are the Junkman 5000. And you can also hit us up at Your Junk and Our Trunk on Facebook. And there you go. I think that's all of them. I'm looking down at my phone real quick. Yep, that's the whole line. And YouTube. You already know where to find us on YouTube, because that's where you're watching us right now. You can always find us here. This is pretty much our home base, where we hang out. All right, so Team Lift, thank you guys so much. Thank you. You guys are awesome. Appreciate you guys always in the comments. I'm way behind on the comments. Please know I'm working hard on them. We're trying to get them all caught up. So really appreciate you guys. Appreciate the time you put in all that. Yep, so it was a good day. It was a good day overall. We got some stuff too, so very good. So thank you so much for hanging out with us today and riding along. We really appreciate it. If you could do us one more favor, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps us out. More the subscribe button, because I like seeing the subscribers go up. So remember, there is no us without you. Team lift is more than just physical, so if you can help somebody out today, I encourage you to do that. I hope you all have a great day. Thanks so much for riding with us. It means the world to me. I love you guys. Have a great day, and we'll see you on the next one.